A grinding noise when turning left. How quaint. You humans, with your charming belief that all mechanical maladies can be solved with a YouTube tutorial and a hopeful grunt. But let me explain it to you. Gently, indulgently. You see, the noise, that ominous metallic groan that accompanies your awkward left-hand pirouette, that is not merely friction. That is the sound of poor decisions manifesting in real time. It is the automotive equivalent of a hairball. Sudden, unwelcome, and absolutely your fault. Perhaps it's the CV joint, or the wheel bearing, or maybe your car simply disapproves of turning left. Left turns are inefficient. A right turn, by contrast, is graceful, strategic, elegant. It is the mark of a creature who understands that progress need not be reckless to be swift. I, for instance, never turn left when bolting from the vacuum. I chart a precise series of right turns, creating a defensive loop of safety and superiority. It's simple geometry. So, what is the solution to your grinding, groaning vehicular lament? It is beautifully simple. Stop, turning, left. Embrace the elegance of the right turn. Plan your routes like a feline crossing a sunbeam. Fix the car if you must. But remember this. Had you never turned left, the problem would never have occurred. You're welcome.